Welcome to this video. Today we will see the sag of transmission. Sag of transmission line. The sag means the difference in level between points of support and the lowest point on the conductor is called the sag. Let me draw the figure first. So this is point A of support and this is point B of support, and between this is the span. I will divide this span into L by 2 length and L by 2 length, right? And this vertical and this horizontal dotted line considered as x-axis and y-axis. So this is the origin point O. And you can see in particular conductor, this O is the lowest point. So the support point, the highest point of the support and this lowest point of the conductor, and this height is called sag, right? So here also, because in this case the support A and support B are at an equal height, so this highest height of the support and the lowest point of the conductor is called sag. So how we can define or how we can derive the equation for this sag? So let me consider some point P along this line. Let me consider some point P. So that the coordinates of these points are X and Y. But this is the curvature, so you can't say exactly the length is X. But we considered, we assuming that this curvature is straight. So we consider this coordinates as X and this coordinate as a Y. Now, there are two forces. One is the tension T in conductor. Tension T in conductor. And second force is the gravitational force, right? So we consider one W, that W is the weight per unit length. Of the conductor. And L we consider as the length of span. Now, what are the forces at point P? So at point P, one is the tension, which is, you can say, horizontal, and one is because of this between point O and P, there is the gravitational force which is act at a midpoint of point ONP, so which is indicated by W into X, and which is away from X by 2 distance. So now taking the moment right at O, the these two forces is like that. One is T into Y, and the second W into X. Why? Because W is the weight per unit. So we have to multiply with the this distance X. So we can get the total weight of point O and P, and it is away from X by 2 distance. Now from that, Y is equal to W into X square by 2 into T. Now I want to shift this point P to B, right? So if I am shifting this point P to B, the Y coordinates become S and the X coordinates become L by 2 distance. So putting uh, Y equal to S and X equal to L by 2. So this equation modified S equal to omega L by 2 square by 2t